Okay, 5 signs your lip plumper is botched and what you can do. Think lip plump, not panic. Hopefully you're enjoying that show in the background. Well, lips are the second most looked at feature on your face right after your eyes. In milliseconds, people use them to judge your youth, your health, and even your fertility. Let's spot the 5 signs your filler turned into a party your lips didn't RSVP to. Number 1, and we've all seen this, the sausage lips. The sign, overfilled, puffy, cylindrical lips that look like they've been rolled out of a butcher shop. The smile, well, it's like stuffing too much meat into a casing. It's going to burst, and not in a cute way. You see, there's natural anatomy of the lip that was not respected when they were filled. The tubercles, there's 3 on the top and 2 on the bottom. There's a GK point. What about the philtrum columns? Well, what do you do about this? Well, at least this one's a little easy. You can partially dissolve it. It will take way too long for this to go away on its own if you're just going to wait this out. You don't want to do that. You can partially dissolve. If the anatomy maintains and looks okay, good, you might have to start all over. And it's important to have gotten real hyaluronic acid filler because a lot of these aren't dissolvable otherwise. Number 2, the mustache lip, aka filler migration. The sign here, well, filler creeps above the lip border, giving you that faint upper lip, kind of a shelf. The smile, well, it's like your lip filler packed its bag and moved north without telling you. Migration can occur from a few things, but it's trying to make a small lip look too big for its size. So kind of overfilling it and it moves up. When I say too big for its size, meaning too big for the mucous membrane, the red part of the lip. There's only so much there and you can't overfill that. Also, migration occurs from this area being hyperdynamic. So it moves a lot. We talk a lot. Women do talk more than men. This is studied. What do you do here? Again, you can partially dissolve it, but afterwards you're going to have to add something like PRF, platelet-rich fibrin. And remember I said it could be hyperdynamic? Add a couple units of Botox to slow down those dynamics. Number 3, the lumpy lip. This drives people crazy. The sign, uneven texture, or even these visible nodules that you get underneath the smile. It's like bubble wrap under your skin. Fun to pop, terrible to wear on your face. The fix here, it's pretty simple. If it's just one, you can pop it, like with an 18 gauge needle. And the finale. And then you just express the product after you put a needle in it. The good news is you don't need to dissolve the entire lip area because these are specific areas that are filled with filler. Number 4, misproportion shape, asymmetry. The number 1 callback to your injector's clinic is going to be, Doc, it's asymmetric. The sign, the upper and the lower lip don't match, or the natural ratio is just off. It's especially common when we smile. So everything might look fine, but then people smile and they're asymmetric. This is complex. There's nerves, there's muscle movement, there's existing asymmetry. So you have to be mindful what existed before. It's like wearing stilettos on one foot and a sneaker on the other. It fools no one and it won't hold up by dinner. The fix, well, it takes about 2 weeks for filler to kind of settle in. After that, you want to assess your pictures and again, look at past pictures to see what asymmetry existed prior to being filled. Here's an absolutely key point. You need to assess your pre-existing smile, not just at rest, but with smile, with dynamics, with a medium and a big smile. The assessment at rest means nothing because when you're interacting with people, you're always dynamic and moving. That's when your filler needs to look its best. Unless you're an AI model, of course. You can easily top up filler on one side or another to approximate the symmetry. Remember, you are going to notice 100 times what anyone else will about the symmetry or asymmetry of your lips. Asymmetry is normal. We all have it. Number 5, stiff or frozen lips, often combined with a ducky look. The sign, difficult smiling or talking. The person might not notice it, but the people around them know their face is just stiff. This is because there's too much lateral projection of the vermilion border. The smile, well, it's like putting duct tape over a feather. It flattens all the softness and the subtlety your lips should have. The fix, next time, go for a softer product or even all natural like PRF and a lip plumper with that, with retinol and peptides in it. That's the most natural way to augment the lips with topicals. Don't chase lip lines or smoker's lines also with too much filler, because that's going to make things stiff in the perioral area, not just the pink mucous membrane, but the whole area. That's a giveaway. If you recognize any of these signs, it's not too late. There's always ways to dissolve it and finesse these, as long as you received real hyaluronic acid filler. If you paid a great price, you may have fake product and you may be stuck with it. A lot of times the cheapest stuff placed is permanent, like silicone. Not much you can do. That cannot be removed or dissolved. You'll now want to watch this video on all natural lip plumping and how you can make your own lip plumper at home.